Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I wanted to talk about dimensions. So, this is the walls that I just made. It's completely random. So let's dimension it in the center. So let's just say if you want them uh, to have equal distance, just click the dimension and you will see this EQ sign. Just click it, and now you will have equal distance. And let's just add another one to show you how it works. Now click it. Okay, you see they have the same distances right now. And if you want to change a dimension, what you can do, you don't need to like move this wall around. You can just click it and then type whatever. Maybe I want it to be 10 feet. Now you can see it's 10 feet. So let's say I want to change this dimension. Click on it and change it to 5. Now it's 5. So it's pretty